Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to install BBC iPlayer on your Fire tablet. Quick, simple, and step-by-step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the App Store on your Fire tablet. Step 2. Tap the search bar at the top and type BBC iPlayer. Step 3. From the results, select the BBC iPlayer app. Step 4. Tap Download or Get to start installing the app. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch BBC iPlayer. Step 6. Sign in with your BBC account or create a new one to start streaming. That's it! You're ready to watch BBC iPlayer shows directly on your Fire tablet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech guides.